Hi, and welcome back to another episode of UX Clicks. I'm Simon, this is Anastasia. We're both senior user experience design consultants living and working in London, and we are here to be your private mentors and to help you guys get into the wonderful world that is user experience design. Today's video, and quite an important subject, is how do you go about choosing the right template for your UX design portfolio, if you decide to use a template, that is. We just this week recently did a workshop, and one of the questions that came up was, is there one best template provider?
Oh my god, that would be amazing, but the answer is there isn't, because these days a lot of companies do templates, like people at home do templates. So if you use WordPress, you can find thousands of templates, literally thousands and thousands of templates.
Mind-blowing.
And apparently half of the internet runs on WordPress, so there is a lot to choose from. So today we wanted to quickly talk about how to choose the right template if you have so much choice available.
Yeah, so a great one, like any fine way of starting your journey, is to do some research.
Inspiration research.
Yeah, inspiration. Get inspired. Look at agencies, digital agencies. They're kind of often on it and using like the latest 10 trends in tech, and they have kind of great creatives inside them, so they'll be using beautiful photography and typography, etc., etc. So look at agencies, look at other designers. You definitely want to check out anyone involved with any of the big firms over in Silicon Valley. Those guys often have amazing stuff online.
Yeah.
Simon Pan was one of the guys we referenced recently. And then other than that is check companies out. I mean, Apple, yeah, prime example. Check out Apple's website. How do they do a case study for the different varying products? Yeah, spend some time, get inspired, have a look online. You don't have to go too far, and you can find some really amazing examples of page layout, typography, imagery, intro text, etc.
Yeah. And once you find those companies that inspire you, what we usually do is just taking screen grabs of, those couple of companies or websites that we really, really like, and paste them in, for example, Photoshop or Sketch, whatever tool you use, so that you have that reference for yourself going forward.
Yeah, there's something really interesting about screen grabbing those particular pages that you like. You get it into Sketch, and then you kind of see how the page has been laid out and how that company is telling a story through its marketing. It gives you a great kind of starting point.
So you can see how the image is laid out, how the copy is laid out, what fonts they use, and so on and so on. It's very inspiring. Yeah.
Then from there, you want to kind of move on to searching for templates.
What we usually do, type in top 10 2018 or 2019, depending which year you're watching this video in.
Yep.
And then say WordPress top design websites or best templates, and then we sort of make a list of those templates that we really like, that resemble what we discovered in the research.
Yeah, if you're using WordPress, or same for any of the other template providers. And then once you've kind of sort of decide which piece of tech it is that you're going to use, we recommend trying to find anywhere from 5 to 10 different templates, and then you want to test these on varying different devices. You want to kind of make sure that they are responsive and have a great experience. There's nothing worse than choosing a template that you really like, and you haven't tested it on mobile or tablet, and then you suddenly realize that the experience really sucks on those kind of smaller devices. As a user experience designer, you really want to kind of make sure that the experience you're providing through your UX portfolio is on par to what you would want to implement for your employers and the clients that you're working with.
Yeah, so that's it. So just to recap, get some inspiration and research and great companies in design, take some screen grabs of those that you really like, research templates that resemble things that you really liked in your research, list 5 to 10 of those that you really like, and then test them out to see that, make sure that they actually work correctly, because there isn't one provider that will give you everything and you always will get it right from them. So it's on you to do the research and pick the one that works for you.
Yeah, it's worth spending some time on that. So thanks a lot, guys. If you like the video, if you just click the subscribe button, you'll be sure to be notified when we do any more. If you have any questions or comments, just ping in some questions in the comments below and we'll do our best to get back to you ASAP. Great. Have a great day. Cheers, guys.
Bye.